What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. Thanks for tuning in to another late night podcast. What's going on, everybody? So we already got a few people in here. What's up, Richard, OMG, Crypto Critter? What's up, Rick, Ernesto, Brandon? And we got a full house almost already. What's going on, everybody? We had a super crazy day with Dogecoin. We're going to break it down, go over some charts. Had some pretty nasty fallouts, man, all the way back from 32 cents today. Came right back. But, man, this is some massive run-up. This came off the news of a Elon Musk rep actually picking up the Dogecoin developer team. So now we'll have Vitalik Buterin, an Elon Musk rep, and a bunch of other great guys actually working on that project. So it's going to be super, super cool to see, man. But nonetheless, that's why you were seeing this pretty major pump we had earlier today. And it was good to see, man. But the real reason you hold your Dogecoin, if you're swing trading, and you get to these low levels, you're one tweet away, one little bit of news, you can hop right back up into the 30s. And yeah, we had some selling off from that hype news. It wasn't sustained, but nonetheless, Dogecoin trying to consolidate right here. We're setting lower highs and higher lows right here. So that's picture perfect consolidation. RSI heating up. Looks like we might actually be due for a little technical breakout come shortly, guys. So that'd be best case scenario for some Dogecoin. All right, sorry about that. Had to get something to drink. Nestor says you've been killing it all week, man. Yeah, it's been a good week, man. Sentiment's definitely back into Dogecoin, man. And even though right now we're getting a little bit of a sell-off right here, I'm fully expecting a bounce off this 200-day moving average. So if you guys have been keeping up with me, very good to keep track of those moving averages. So I don't think we'll retest this level of support. I think we'll get a bounce right here off this 200-day moving average. Could be a good swing trade opportunity coming up right here shortly, guys. How's it going, Brandon? Hope you're doing well tonight, my man. You too, Rick. OMG says I made it this time. I was looking for you last night. I was hoping you weren't having some migraines again, but luckily to see you in the chat tonight. Kappa Jones in the house. Luckily, I joined so late. Hey, man. Good to see you, man. We got Robert Dean in the house. Thank y'all guys for tuning in. Really appreciate it. RW, what's happening, man? What's up, Matt? Hope everyone is doing good. We are, man. I hope you're doing well on your side, man. There you go, Crypto Visions. Got them in the house. Thank you for tuning in, man. About to get cranked up here and talk about some charts, get into some TA, and really look at what's about to happen here. See if we can predict a little future breakout that might have a good swing trade opportunity coming up here shortly on Dogecoin. Oh, that's not good, Brandon. What kind of storms you got over there, man? We got Heed, man. Heed is back in the chat. What's up, dude? Hopefully you're doing good tonight, my man. We got Mark Matters in the chat. I seen him in Crypto Vision's chat tonight. So if you came from over there, thank you very much, man. Please consider hitting that subscribe button for me. We're a tight, fit community. We'd love to have everybody. Alex says, what's up, Matt? How are you? I'm doing well tonight, man. I just wanted to tune in, touch base on some crypto, talk about some Dogecoin. We had a pretty wild day today, man. Really did. Had a massive run up to 32 something, and had a big sell-off back to 31. It's pretty good swing trading opportunities right here, guys. Pretty good swing trading. Hey, Street Market, how you doing, man? Good to see you, man. Oh, it's not good, Brandon. Hope everything's good on that end, man. Thank you, Black Omens. Thank you for tuning in, man. Thank you for tuning in. So, guys, right now, I'm fully expecting a bounce right here. Come shortly. Maybe on the next 5-minute candle. We got that 200-day moving average should act as support right here. I think we'll see a pretty nice little bounce right here. Quite possibly, if the trend continues, it could bounce and touch 31 cents. So you're looking at almost 1 cent swing trade right there if you can get in. Depending on what broker you use, some prices are a little bit better than the others. But nonetheless, might be a good little swing trade opportunity coming up. We got Thomas Harris in the house. What's happening, man? It's been a long time, guys. Thank you very much, Thomas Harris. We're doing great, my friend. We're doing great, man. We're finally, for the most part, done talking about these major dips for right now, man. So it's things are starting to heat up, man. Things are starting to heat up. It got bearish here for a second, 28 cents. I think everybody was getting a little nervous. We had that 27 yesterday. So not really a little double bottom. Might be forming a little ascending level of support. The only thing I'm worried about is if we would go to fall back to meet some type of line, I could pop right here. It'd put us back around 29, 28 cents. If you do see that, that would signify a pretty good buying opportunity. But we are having some pretty major consolidation right here on the 5-minute chart. And you can see that you're setting these higher lows right here, these three tops, and you're starting to set these higher highs. One higher here, maybe a higher here. We'll see this next bounce. We'll see what happens here shortly, guys, but I'll probably end up popping some lines here in a few minutes. Yeah, man, Tom, it's been a long time no see, dude. Glad to see you in the chat, my friend. Hope everything in life is treating you well. Saul Hernandez back at it like a crack addict. You already know, my man. These streams take a lot. Had to get something to drink, sorry. Street Market setting up for a FOMO play. He's going to FOMO all over the place. So, guys, you're getting a pretty good bounce right here. I don't see us breaking over 31 right here if the charts hold true. This could be a pretty good, decent swing opportunity right here. You might end up getting rejected somewhere around the 50-day moving average. But consolidation, very good at this range right here. I'm happy to see Doge over 30 cents, respecting these levels right here. And you're starting to converge these three moving averages all at the same time. That could be the start of a new trend come up here shortly. Hopefully it's a bullish trend, guys. Yep, you already know Crypto Visions. Make these tendies, man. That's what we're here to do. I would say right now, I mean, if you don't mind going a little red, Doge would be a good swing trade opportunity. I mean, but it looks to me like it's getting set up for a nice little pop. Quite possibly above 31 cents, but we'll have to see what happens. Crypto Vision says, don't look at the S&P if you don't want to talk about dips. Yeah, man, the Fed already issued statements they're going to start tapering back. So it is going to affect the market negatively. So I'm expecting a bunch of pullbacks across the board, man. And lucky for me, I've been transitioning away from stocks into crypto full time. So crypto's doing mighty well right now. It's holding up really well. How about ADA today, guys? Up 8.32%. 8.61%. I'm sorry. That is a pretty decent gain. So anytime you see ADA dip to around 198, $2 range, with smart contracts coming up, that is some really nice tendies you can make right there. Swing trade ADA, that is Cardano. Nesto says, I'm thinking of taking some profits on ADA and see if I can swing trade them with Doge. Just be careful, man. You've been trading with the channel long enough, man. You should have a pretty good idea how to read them charts, man. I think you'll be sitting fine. I'm currently waiting. I might do a little swing trade tonight. I might buy one of these dips, and this is looking pretty tasty right here, my friend. You got that 200-day moving average with a level of support. I wouldn't mind picking up a few right here come shortly. I hear you, Thomas Harris, dude. I got 4 kids running around the house, so I completely understand, man. I'm happy to see you here, man. I hope you're still in the markets. I hope you're still making tendies, man. And thank you very much for tuning in tonight. He says we need to get over 50. It's coming, my man. It is coming. Crypto's about to, my opinion, crypto's about to go on a little run, man. Just what I'm feeling. I don't want to be one of them hype guys. It's bullish all the time. I am bullish about crypto for the rest of the year. We'll cross that path in December when that time comes. But I'm bullish the rest of the year, man. I think we'll see some pretty nice tendies. Oh, thank you very much, OMG. She dropped the Discord in the chat, guys. So if you see OMG, if you want to join our Discord, it's 100% free right now. But actually, that will be changing this weekend. So if y'all guys want to hop in, feel free. It's 100% free. So make sure to take advantage of that offer. Very cool, Crypto Critter. Just soaking in some more knowledge. If y'all have any questions, man, feel free to let me know. Robert Dean, ADA has held up extremely well, man. So, guys, we're getting that test right now of this 200-day moving average. This would be a pretty good bouncing opportunity right here. I'm fully expecting a pretty decent green candle right here. Let's see what happens. Especially with the RSI. The RSI has really cooled off. You're looking at 40, almost in oversold territory pretty much. I could definitely see a little bounce here. Let's see what happens. I'm going to zoom in. Get a bigger picture right here. Thank you very much, OMG, for reminding me not to buy live. So if you guys follow me, you know what happens when I buy live. Never goes in my favor. One Shot GT. Thank you very much for tuning in, my man. What's happening, my brother? Waiting for Bitcoin to get over 48K, my boy. So I get excited and do the Win Moon. Guys, we might briefly dip below this 200-day moving average. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We got strong support at 30 cents. But the way the charts are lined up right here, if you anywhere between 28, like if I see 28 again, I'm definitely picking up some for a swing trade opportunity. I think you can swing it from 28 to 32 pretty well, even 31. We'll see what happens, though. I'll keep everybody updated in the Discord for my next buying opportunity that I'll be purchasing myself. So I'll keep y'all updated. Oh, you just lost the stream on your phone? Thomas Harris says, yeah, man, bought $300 last week at 20. Great gains. Awesome, dude. Awesome. That's what you get for buying the dip. That's what you get. Ernesto, if it's not too late, I will go ahead and accept that duel, my friend. I see you trying to creep me while I'm live streaming. It's all good, though. Much love, man. Oh, you still got fiber internet? Awesome, man. Yeah, stay safe with all them storms, man. I'm from Louisiana, so I know how them tropical systems can be, man. They can tear you up. One Shot GT says, I'll buy whenever it look good. Yeah, dude, if you're patient, you'll definitely reap the benefits, man. If you'd have been buying them dips 16 to 20, 23, 25, you'd be sitting pretty tight, my friends. Pretty freaking tight. Robert Dean says Bitcoin to 100K. When it has new lows, it always rockets to new record highs. Yeah, I can't wait for the end of the year, man. I think Rick, all the other guys in our chat that have been holding Bitcoin long term, they're gonna be sitting pretty fat on those returns, man. I got your crypto visions. Yeah, I'm fully expecting a tropical system this year in Louisiana, man. Just waiting for it right here. So guys, we are riding this level right here. Crucial level. If we don't hold this, it might put us back in some bearish territory. Might end up getting that retest of 30 cents. Brandon says, storms aside, better for now. Another ban later through Alabama. Summer weather sucks. Oh, cool, man. I'm right there in Louisiana. You're not too far from me, my man. Yeah, we got Crypto Visions in the house. We got Robert Dean. We got the whole little crew. Thank y'all very much for tuning in, man. Looks like we might be getting a little bounce right here, guys. At 30.24 is the low of this 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens. Give me 1 second, guys. I just got a notification. All right, guys, sorry about that. Had to check something real quick. We are rocking back. Currently sitting at 30.30 right here. Somebody was saying something about GT Golf. That was you, huh? One shot. So Jonathan Johnson, did you think about heading to Sugarland, man? We could do like a little meetup for Dogepalooza, man. Be pretty cool. So right now, guys, we got ADA trading at 213. We got Dogecoin 3031. Ethereum hanging above 3,000 where it was last night, and we got XRP 113. Looking pretty cool, guys. What's up, Christina? How you doing? Thank you very much for tuning into the stream. Remember, guys, if y'all new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We greatly appreciate it. Greatly appreciate it. We also have channel memberships. If you're not a member, please consider doing that as well. It greatly helps support the channel. And that's the last time you're going to hear me say that tonight. I'm just put that out there once. But let's break down some ADA charts right here. We might be getting a little trend break right here. Might be getting that bounce off that 50-day moving average like we wanted to see. Might be a good swing trade opportunity. 231 cents here. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah, Jonathan, you told me you moved away from there. My bad, dude. I remember that, though. Oh, cool. Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. Guys, we also have 100% free Discord. So make sure to hop in there too as well, because we'll be actually we'll be making it $5.99 a month starting on this weekend, but totally free for everybody that's in there currently. So liking this little rebound right here at 30.24, looking pretty nice right here. Nice. That's what we wanted to see, guys. That little bounce off this 200-day moving average. Looking good. Thomas Harris says, I'm very bullish. 50 cents into August. That is very bullish, my friend. Waiting to see what happens here in the next 5-minute candle, guys.
Tell me why you holding on your drink, man. You should be on the floor, don't you think, man? Why come to the club and just stand around? Kinda dumb to me, you should be getting down. Do me a favor, you see that lady over there? Go and ask her if she wanna shake a derriere. Man, just give it a chance. Oh, you one of those cats too cool to dance?
OMG, someone in the Discord wants to know how to swing trade and what is it. It's basically a trade that you accumulate and you hold it over a period of a day or a few days. That's pretty much what it is. You pick up a trade and you hold it for a little bit. Day trading would be like if you pick up a trade, like if I buy right here at 30.24 and I sell at 31 cents, that'd be a day trade. One Shot GT says, nice. I'm going to a big end of the year tournament in Dallas, Texas, December 9th through 13th. It's actually in Keller, Texas. Oh, you going to shoot some golf? Awesome, man. That's very cool. Crypto Visions. Promise I won't time anybody out tonight. RW, we're bracing for a possible hurricane nor'easter here in Maine early next week. Very rare, but looking bad. So, yeah, it's bad whenever y'all get those storms up there. So, hope you're taking care, man. Preparing and getting ready for all that. Getting a nice little bounce, guys, off that moving average. That's why it's very important to know your moving averages and your levels of support. Especially last night, I think we had a level where we were going to meet it, a level of resistance, and it had the moving average right above it. So that was really hard to break. So you can get the same sentiment on these downtrends too. If you have a level of support, go and meet a 200-day moving average. That's probably going to be a bounce point right there. So. Mark Matter says, I'm on 40 cents by end of the year. Not financial advice. No advice you get over here. Mark Matters is financial advice. It's for purely entertainment purposes only, my man. Yes, Ernesto, we are also trying to start a Doge fantasy football for anyone that is interested. We have that room set up in the Discord. I'll be setting up the league this weekend. Be a very cool, fun way to interact with the community. Jonathan Johnson, yes, Matt, that's the plan to go. We should hang for sure. No, I got mixed up. I'm from Vegas, and I live in Richmond next to Sugarland, West Side. 30 minutes from Houston. Awesome, man. I got you, my man. We got Crypto Zach in the house, dude. Thank you very much. We got some super chats, some super stickers coming in from One Shot Golfing Pro, the Birdie Hunter. Thank you very much for that $5 super chat and that $10 super chat. Thank you very much, my friend. You are greatly appreciated, my man. Greatly appreciated. Like I said, we're a small community, man. So all the support I get, I greatly appreciate it. One shot for rocking with me all this time, dude. For being a good member in the community. I'm gonna throw you a wrench, my dude. Thank you very much, man, for supporting the community. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Robert Dean. So let's start breaking down some charts, guys. We got some people in here. People want to know where things are going. We're getting a nice bounce off of Doge right here. This could be a very tight little area to get over, but if we do, we can possibly run back up to 30.90, possibly 31 cents. So a break right here above these, I would call that, short-term resistance right here with this moving average. This 50 is going to be pretty hard to get over. It's at 30.63. You can see we're kind of getting, not really getting over it right this second. Let's see what happens here in the short term. A break over that would signify a pretty good little bounce. So it's really getting a tight little spot between these moving averages. Let's see what happens. When these three start converging, you can get the start of a new trend, whether that be a bearish trend or a bullish trend. So we're all hoping for that bullish trend. We want to see this break, get back over this level of resistance right here above 31 cents, and we'll be back in Tindy Town, my friends. Crypto Zach says that dancing kid when the super chat happens. It's pretty cool, man. I'm supposed to have one when someone subscribes, but Christina didn't. I don't know if it popped up. I got Anchorman like doing something. I don't know why it didn't pop up. I need to check the settings when I hop off, man. Getting some green candle, 30.63 right here. Looks like we might be getting that push over the moving average. Let's see what happens, guys. Green candle right here would signify a good little run up, possibly to 30.90. Jonathan K, thank you very much for tuning in, man. Better late than never, man. Greatly appreciate you, my man. OMG says same 3 green candles on Bitcoin. Wonder if everything's back to follow on Bitcoin. We're currently looks like we're getting rejected on that those 2 moving averages right here. That's a tight little window right here. So we'll probably go back to retest this 200-day moving average. Very tight little window. So while that's doing its thing, let's check out some ADA for all you ADA lovers out there. I'm big into Cardano. I love it. I think it's going to do great things this year. On the 5-minute chart, Cardano's looking pretty bullish. You got a little ascending level of support right here. Ooh, that's a little wedge forming right here on Cardano. That's a little wedge, ascending wedge. That's bullish, guys. Let's see what happens right here. We'll probably end up getting that break, hop back in that 216 range. And the next level to hop over would be 218.65. Let me go ahead and pop that line right there. 218.65. Let's see what happens, guys. ADA looking very bullish right now. Let's jump back to Doge. See what's going on over there. See if we making some green candles. Then Cadillac, what's happening, dude? Cheers, Matt. ADA killing it compared to all my other cryptos right now. Yeah, ADA looks really nice, my friend. Really nice. I'd like to see a bounce at 30.50 right here. That'd be pretty bullish. Let's get over these moving averages, and we're back off to Tindy Town, my friends. What's up, Mark Garcia? How you doing, my friend? Good to see you in the chat. I see you're new to the channel, man. I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button for me. But what price do you see Dogecoin at next month? If you're referring to the end of September, I'm bullish, man. I think you'll be looking anywhere between the price you're sitting at now and somewhere around 45 cents, man. That'd be my, if I had to take a wild guess at it. I think it's going to go up. It's going to go down. It's going to have these big run-ups. You'll get some news. You'll get some sell-off. You'll have short attacks. You'll have long, people going long on it. It's very, in my opinion, it's being manipulated by the whales right now, man. So you just got to ride the waves and hold on to your seats, my man. And if you swing trading, just read the charts, do your own DD. But I think Dogecoin will have a pretty good month for September. Thank you, Robert Dean. Mass Market's goal is 5K subs. Thank you, man. That is the goal for the end of the year, man. We'll see if we can't make it happen. Crypto Zach, I subbed to Matt since 1985. Thank you very much, my boy. Thank you for tuning in, Crypto Zach, man. I really appreciate it. ADA is going to be huge in the future. Also very bullish on VET and BTT. Also have load up on Sheep. If that one hits even half of a penny, I'll be happy. I hope it does. I hope it does, RW, and I hope you'll be sitting on some pretty fat tennies when that happens. So yeah, guys, we're getting rejected. Big red candle right here. Probably get that retest of 30.29 right here. Let's see what the next 5-minute candle does. If it comes out swinging in the green, we might not get that retest, but what's looking like we might end up getting it. So Ben Cadillac says, historically, it seems like winter is crypto season. Yeah, man, crypto usually does better in the winter, man. It really does. We saw last winter. I don't know if it's because more people stay inside, what the case is, but yeah, summertime is usually pretty bearish. You know, we sat through 3 months during the summer talking about dips, man. So it's just how it is, my man. Jonathan K says, holding my ADA. If call hits, I may get more. That's awesome, dude. Hopefully you're staking it, my man. That's the best way to hold it. I would have to agree with you, Ernesto. I do have more faith in Shiba than SafeMoon at this point. It's just how it is, man. It's just how I feel. OMG says, yes, it's following Bitcoin right now. Let's pull up some Bitcoin on the chart. See what's going on. It's like just sideways trading, like barely ascending level. You have these higher lows you're setting and higher highs. So you have a little ascending level, but not much. It ain't much to get excited about. I'd get excited if you go back to 45,879 and get that retest right there. Then I'd start getting excited. But we need Bitcoin volume to step back into Bitcoin to really start moving everything again. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. You caught that, Crypto Visions? Dude, I took my charger out of my laptop, man. I forgot to plug it back in. So I had to rush to go get it. Didn't want the computer to die on the live stream, man. That was a boo-boo. That was an operator error. So next 5-minute candle did turn out to be green on Dogecoin. Very good news. Hopefully we'll continue this ascending level of support right here and eventually get over 31 cents tomorrow. Jonathan Case, I got 3 million Shiba. Just make sure Voyager was working. It's quite a bit, man. Gets to half a cent, you'll be sitting nice, man. I'm more bullish on Shiba than I am SafeMoon. I mean, that's just me being honest. I think Shiba might eventually do something one day just because of the community that backs it. Like, you can Google Shiba live streams right now and they'll have, 100, 200 people hanging out in there. So I got it taken care of. OMG. Thank you very much. Hey, if one of them pops though, Crypto Visions, you'll be sitting very nice, my friend. I didn't see what Christina put, but yeah, 12.8 million Shiba. That's a good amount. So guys, short term, I mean, look, we're gonna have these big dips on Dogecoin. We're gonna have these big rips. I mean, this 4-hour chart on Doge, it's still bullish, guys. It is really, really bullish. Will we see a little bit more pullback? It's possible. I mean, it really is. That's a pretty steep trend right here. But I'm still very bullish about it. I think it will continue. I mean, you could easily get a major pop and get back over 33 cents. Possibly retest 35 really fast from the level we're sitting at. So you can see when we run up real fast, hit those tops, we have some pullback, almost 50% of the run up, and then we slowly start to climb, have a little pullback, then we have a major run up, pulled back quite a bit off this major run up. I think we're in the clear. I think we're setting up for like another little rip up to possibly somewhere within the 33 cent range. Hopefully this weekend will be good for crypto. Hopefully we won't continue to see these dips we've been seeing for the rest of the beginning of the week, because I was reporting that I thought this would be a great week for crypto, and I started off bad, guys. I was second guessing my thought process, but today was pretty good. Today was pretty decent. Christina says 8 million Shiba and 2 billion SafeMoon. I'm assuming that is quite a bit. That is quite a bit. I've had SafeMoon. You feel they blew their advertising budget. I ended up selling. Mark Matters, when you ended up selling your SafeMoon, how'd that go, man? What was the process? Because I never tried, and I never talked to anybody that actually tried to sell the SafeMoon. Was it difficult as buying it? And how much did they take from you? Was it 10% like they say? Let me know if you can, my man. RW says you can stake Shiba on Voyager too, which is nice. Earn like 60k Shiba a month just by staking with them. That's pretty cool. That's definitely pretty cool. Yeah, crypto. If you definitely get a hold long term, man, I would definitely go ahead and stake it, man. If you're not planning on selling anytime soon. I think Cat saying the last few weekends have been very nice as opposed to May through July. Definitely, my man. And sometimes they'll flip it on us, but I want to see some nice little pops back in the market, man. I really do. Being at the 23rd, we have the house meeting back up. I'd like to see some moves before then. That way, if we do have some pullbacks from the House of Representatives actually, voting on the infrastructure bill, if we do see some negative news for that, it won't be as bad. Like if we're sitting at 30 cents and this bill gets passed, you could possibly take a pretty good little dip. So just be aware of that, guys. That is coming up. That is next week. So just have that in the back of your mind. But it could play out a little bit longer, being that like if the House makes a change, then they'll have to send it back to the Senate to vote on the change. If the Senate makes a change, they'll have to send it back to the House. Like it could be a long, drawn-out process. This thing might not happen on the 23rd. It might actually get, it might not get signed till the end of September. So you have to keep that in mind. There's a little time frame. Not to say it's going to happen on the 23rd. So it's possible it could, but we'll see what happens. Oh, Christine, I got you. Whole coin. I got you. 2 billion SafeMoon is like what I would like to have. Crypto Zach, did you FOMO in the Doge, man? RW never had Safe Moon, just not interested in it. Plus all that pancake swap stuff was just too darn complicated. Definitely, man. I think that's why Safe Moon kind of blew up, because like people want what they can't have. And that statement holds true. So like Safe Moon was extremely hard to buy. And there was a real lot of hype behind it. So like people were really trying to get it really hard. So I think that, give me 1 second. Boy, I just almost had to sneeze. Sorry about that. So I think that really accumulated the price in the beginning. And then, you know, when crypto fell on its face back in May, you know, Safe Moon never really recovered. And it's going to take a lot for Safe Moon to actually do something one day. Hopefully they do. You know, if they do, I'll be sitting nice, but I'm not worried about it in the least bit. I bought $100 worth and I forgot about it. I haven't even checked it. And I will leave it there to see if it ever does anything. All right, guys, sorry about that. Mark Matter says, yeah, they take 10%, had to swap through Pancake Swap off Safe Wallet, swapped on into BNB. Yeah, it's a little bit of a process, man. It really is. But nonetheless, I'm glad to see you were able to sell. Awesome news, man. Ernesto, me and Matt FOMO'd in Safe Moon. We sure did, man. You remember that? That was a long time ago. I have Doge trapped in my wedge. It's got to go up or down. Man, I'm hoping for a pretty good move this week, man. I really am. I really hope Doge starts making some pretty decent moves. But guys, we got a pretty good ascending level of support right here. You want to get as many touch points as you can. So 1, 2, almost 3 right here. So you'll be able to tell short term, next, 5 or 10 5-minute candles. If we're going to start like another little trend, you got all these moving averages converging on each other right here. So you could quite possibly figure out where Dogecoin is heading. Like if we would continue to break, I think at some point something's going to have to give right here. You're either going to break above this 50 and this 14-day moving average and then start continue that uptrend, or you could break into a bearish pattern right here and ultimately get this retest of this level of support. But I think the way it's looking right here, you might continue this ascending level of support and get back into some bullish territory. Whoa! Mark Matter says I'm still holding Upcoin. YOLO. Dang, dude. What is Upcoin doing? I haven't checked in a while, man. That dude got diamond hands for real. Oh, dude, it was so aggravating trying to buy a Safe Moon. I spent like 3 days trying to figure it out, man. It was really aggravating. Ben Cadillac says never gotten a Safe Moon, but it seems like danger basement lately. Yeah, I would I would stay away from it right now. That's just my opinion, man. If you're in it, great. If you do buy it, I wouldn't buy a whole bunch. It's just my opinion. Just my opinion. Jonathan K losing on Apple calls on Planner up. Need to wake up and decide to sell. See if it goes back up tomorrow. Hopefully it does, man. Hopefully you'll make some pretty good tendies on that. Let's see what Apple's at right now. Apple currently trading at 146. Yeah, the stock market is just continuing to slide, my man. And Apple tends to do that, man. Tech sector is taking a little bit of a hit. Hopefully you'll get a good little bounce tomorrow, man. You got that 200-day moving average, which would be a possible bounce point for you at 144. You might see that, my man. But let's see if I can pop a little line right here. I think you might dip a little bit more, my man. I think eventually you could probably go back to retest 145.36 as a drop of $1 from where it's at. Let's see what happens tomorrow, man. Hopefully it bounces from where it's at, but it's looking pretty bearish right now. Looks like you'll go back to get a retest somewhere within 145 to mid 144 range on Apple. But one thing you got in your favor, the RSI is really oversold, my man. Whoa, 36 on Apple, man. Had some hard sell-off today. You'd almost think you'd have a bounce, man. That's some hard sell-off for Apple. Down 2.55% on the day. That's a big move for Apple, man. It really is. Saul calling it. Doge about to take off soon. Hopefully so, man. Yeah, Mark Matter's got some diamond hands, man. Maybe it will trail all the other cryptos again. Seemed to pop later. Bitcoin, Ethereum last time. Hopefully so, Ben Cadillac. Hopefully we'll get this major pop off some Dogecoin come very shortly. Hopefully it'll happen on the stream, but no, y'all know what happens when I stop streaming. It goes up, my friends. Getting a pretty major test right here, guys. Let's see what happens. Now look, if we break and retest 30.21 right here and get a bounce, I'm totally fine with it. Just we're getting a pretty major level test right here. Watch you get off the stream and do it. Yeah, that's what happens, Crypto Zach. Exactly what happens, my man. Like back in the day for the gold rush, the guys selling the shovels were making them big money. Yeah, man. It's a good way to look at it. RW says, I think SafeMoon going to be a rug pull of the century. When they said they're getting up to, I grew suspicious. Feels like I'm going to take some of my money and run while over there. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people think it's a scam, man. I mean, it's just what it is. Just what people think it is, man. It'll be yet to be seen. Nvidia beat earnings expectations. Let's see what Nvidia is doing right now. Even though I kind of want to keep my eyes glued to Dogecoin for the second, let's pop over to Nvidia. Probably went down. Up 2.3% after hours. Pretty good move for Nvidia. Not bad. Whoa. 185. I missed that. I didn't even see that. I did not see that. I was mainly watching Dogecoin today. 30.21. Let's see if we get a bounce right here, guys. Mark Matta says getting clapped in Apple, but she's gonna bounce. Yeah, I think so, man. You might have a little bit of a sell-off in the morning, but I do think Apple will bounce eventually, possibly tomorrow. Crypto Vision says I need some shovels. I want to start selling shovels, make some real money. That's what we're hoping for, Jonathan K. Hoping for some bouncing right here, man. Looks like we'll get that retest right here. 30.21, major level right here. Let's see what happens. Got a bounce. I see 30.22 right here. Are we getting that bounce? Meanwhile, Ethereum closing in on 3,000. Let's see what happens, guys. 30.20. Kathy can't remember her last name. Pumped 11 million into Planner today for Secret Fish. Yeah, that's Kathy Woods, man. Mark Invest. I'm gonna check out Planner, see what it did here in a few minutes. So yeah, guys, we're at a pretty major level right here. Mark Matters, I'm going to start selling bounces. Looks like we need them. I would like to see a bounce right here, my man. Because if not, Dogecoin would probably continue to bleed throughout the rest of the night, which could lead to maybe another good buying opportunity. Let's get a green candle right here. Bitcoin on its resistance. Let's get that green candle. Hopefully we get it right here, my man. Read the news. ARK is putting lots of money in the Planner. Let's pull it up real quick, see what happened today. Yep, that's what happens, man. Kathy Wood, the Kathy Woods effect. Planner might be a decent buy right there, man. Go to 4-hour chart. Yeah, that RSI is popping out. I'd let it cool off a little bit before I touch it. Could be a start of a big cup and handle on that 4-hour though. See the potential on Planner hit high of $45. Could that cup and handle possibly suspend it back to 45? Who knows? But that chart doesn't look like a bad setup right there. Looks like you might have a little cup and handle almost trying to form right there. Let's see what happens on Planner tomorrow, guys. That might be actually pretty good play tomorrow. I'm going to put that on my watch list. Thank you, Jonathan. I'll get some trampolines and sell those for big gains. All right, guys. It's looking a little bearish, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. You're about to get that retest of 30 cents. So I'm going to drop this out for right now. I'm going to put me a line at 30 cents because that's where we're heading. From the looks of it, that's where we're heading. Let's see what happens. Open Planner calls, expiration 27th. What strike price, Mark Maddox? Yeah, those calls on a Planner might not be a bad little opportunity, man. Big red candle on Doge, guys. 30 cent retest incoming. A bounce at 30 cents, you might be able to get a pretty decent trade right here. Let's see what happens, though. And guys, we're almost to 1,520 subscribers. Thank y'all very much, guys. The subscriber count has been running up pretty good recently. Thank y'all very much, man. Y'all been supporting me nonstop. And I just want to let y'all know I really, really appreciate it. Really makes my job easy. 30-cent retest right here. Let's see what happens. I seen 30 cents right here. We had some pretty good news today. I mean, Elon's rep is actually working with the developer team. Here we go, $29.99. Could quite possibly get pretty bearish here, guys. $29.93. OMG, Bitcoin needs to hold 44K, but it may not. Let me, I'm gonna trade XRP in a second here for Bitcoin chart. See what's happening over there. 26 premium was like at 64 cents. I got you, man. Oh, I think that'll treat you well, man. I'm gonna be watching Planner tomorrow. This is not good, guys. You probably have some whales selling off right here. Let's go to 30-minute chart. See what we're looking at. You could possibly have 29.50 incoming, guys. Rick says, smash that like. Thank you very much, man. We always have that one hater that rolls through and hits a dislike button. Nonetheless, it don't matter to me. The meaning of that is, say you have Ethereum coin or whatever coin, what new projects are running under that coin could get us bigger gains. Definitely, man. It's always good to look at stuff like that. And you also have Dogecoin that might be bridging with Ethereum. So, you know, you have to look at all those aspects of who's teaming up with who. It could definitely get you a pretty good gain if you can find out which cryptos are teaming with which cryptos and get in on that opportunity. It's looking bearish right here, guys. I think we'll see 29, quite possible 29.50 here shortly. You're getting a pretty good bounce right here, 29.80. If we don't hold 29.80, we'll definitely, from what it looks like, we'll see 29.50. Rick says I might average here. What's your average right now, Rick? Thank you very much, Robert Dean. Rick says they're shorting Bitcoin right now. Yeah, we're just watching the whales control the market right now, man. It's just what it boils down to. As soon as everybody's like, oh, crypto's looking pretty good, bam, the whales step in, start shorting everything. It's not a good situation, man. Not worried about Dogecoin going down. I'm not either, but you know, I like to see it go up. You know, it's just if it goes down, of course I'll end up getting a good buying opportunity. But you could have one possibly coming up here shortly, guys. You are 100% correct, Mark Matos. I think I know who it is, though. It's our boy, Win Moon. The guy cannot tune in because he is out of internet until tomorrow, until midnight. That's my boy, though. Jonathan Key says I'm at 19 on Robinhood and 20 on Voyager. That's not bad, man. That is not bad, my friend. All right, big red on Bitcoin. Let's look it up because it is relevant to the fact, guys. Bitcoin is the Mag Daddy. Big red on Bitcoin. Big red. Could you possibly see 43,763? It's possible. Worst case scenario would be it would just start, falling from this point on and going all the way back to 40,000 retest. I think you'll see a bounce come shortly. But man, hopefully Bitcoin just holds up. Really need it back over that 45 to 48,000 range. Really get the market back moving. But 43 looks to be the next level of support coming up. 43,736. We might end up seeing that tonight if the bearish trend continues right here. But even on the 4-hour chart, you're way above that 200-day moving average. So there's a chance if this continues to roll up, you could have some bearish sentiment stepping into the market. Let's hope we get that bounce way before then. We'll see what happens. I know I just said 40K. I'm not trying to scare people, but we saw Bitcoin come from 64 to 28. Anything's possible. I'm not ruling anything out at this point right now. So 4-hour chart on Doge looks pretty decent, guys. I'm not too concerned with this right here. We're getting respect of that 50-day moving average right here. A break below that. Yes, it will look very bearish short term. We got a super chat coming in from Mr. Mark Matters for a $10 super chat. Thank you very much. Doge, it does matter, my friend. You're 100% correct, dude. Thank you very much for that super chat. Mark Matters, you did not have to do that, my friend, but it greatly helps support the channel. So I greatly appreciate you, my friend. What's up, Jen? Jen, tell Win I said, hey, I sure will. I sure will. Robert Dean says Bitcoin about to go green. What are we seeing right here? 29.75 was the low on Doge. That 30-cent mark might be tough to get back over. I'd like to see it hop back right here, because if not, you could possibly bleed off into the rest of the night. That's not what I want. I saw that dude. He's on a roll, man. You're 100% right, Jonathan K. That dude is shorting everything. Yep, Robert Dean, you're right, dude. Mark Matters, thank you for that super chat, dude. Thank you very much. Hopefully y'all like the little kid in the club popping up on the screen when someone super chats. So that was pretty cool. I got a couple of things I'll be changing here shortly. Doge trying to pop again. Yep, trying to pop above 30, man. I like to see it right here. But you can see we had that little bit of a wedge we had drew earlier, and we finally got that break, and this is what happens when you get the break. So I hope it's not starting the beginning of a bearish trend for the next short-term period. I hope we can get some nice green candles popping back in. Even ADA taking a little bit of a hit. 211, 210 right there. But guys, we saw ADA. If you could pick up ADA around the $2 mark to 190, high 190s, $2 mark, I mean, that was a pretty good swing trade right there. And we all know we got ADA smart contracts coming. So super bullish. I'm holding my ADA. I'm not letting it go. And I'll be continue chilling, staking my ADA, earning as much as I can in the meantime. Dogecoin briefly popped above 30 cents right there. Let's see if we can get over it and sustain that. If Planner hits for me, I'll join Matt and donate to CV. Hey man, I hope it hits for you then. Not just for that, but I hope it knocks for you. I think Planner is a really good play for tomorrow, man. We'll touch base tomorrow night and see what happens, but I think Planner could be a pretty decent play. One Shot GT coming in with another super chat. Thank you very much for that $15 super chat, dude. Yep, let's go Doge/Bitcoin. Let's get the market back moving. Let's get it back right. We all want to make some tennies out here. And we've got Doge hopping over 30 cents. Thank you very much, One Shot GT. Greatly, greatly appreciated, my man. Hope it's not a fake out. I hope not too, OMG. I really do. OMG knows it. We've been talking about dips on this channel for 3 months. It got pretty stale for a while. There's only so much you can talk about dips. Like, we saw a bunch of YouTubers they quit streaming, man. I saw multiple ones I'd watch all the time, and they just totally stepped away from streaming. And they're finally back now that you get a little bit of action. But to me, it was kind of like, I'm going to keep reporting. Like, I don't care if it's dipping. Like, I believe in where it's going, and I'm going to keep reporting to everybody and trying to build a community. So I stuck it out through all these dips, and I definitely don't want to go back to reporting on these dips. Might be a good little bounce opportunity right here. Let's see what happens, guys. Oh, they got some free coins on Coinbase? I'm gonna have to check it out. Saul saying mass market to the moon. Thank you very much, Saul. Greatly appreciate you, my friend. And once again, One Shot GT, thank you for supporting the channel, man. Much love, my brother. Yes, definitely gotta let the people know when they have free coins on the Coinbase, because, hey, I'll still hit it up every time they got free coins on Coinbase. And then I'll turn around, flip them, and I'll buy some Doge. Or some ADA. Yep, you already know OMG, good times and bad times. We stick together. Crypto Visions. Heck, I went 24/7 streaming through the long dips. That's some long live streams, man. Definitely some long nights. Dip talking. Jonathan K, YouTubers got no more clickbait for views. Yeah, you'll see things like Dogecoin to $10 and stuff like that. It's just, you know, it's kind of like Trojan horse in it. Like, you're basically putting the clickbait out there. $10 Doge. Of course someone's going to click on it, but I mean, what justice are you doing? Like, just for yourself. Like, I don't care if this video gets 1,000 views or not. I care that I come on here, I get to know the people in the community, and we get to, you know, interact every day, talk about our trades, talk about life. You know, that's what it's about. Not just putting clickbait out there. So that's how I feel about it. Robert Dean says Houston, we're ready for launch. Robert Dean shooting for 33 cents. I know him. Yeah, guys, it's looking pretty bearish right here, short term. Let's zoom back out, see where we might be heading. 29.38 is a pretty good level. 29.50, you have some support. RSI is really starting to approach some oversold territory. How low can she go? That is the question. What is the timing for you to get a good dip buy opportunity? Let's pull back out to the 1 hour chart and see what's going on. That's why you have to go between your time frames right here. So the 1 hour, you have your 50-day moving average sitting at 29.53. That could quite possibly be a decent dip buy, guys. That might be the spot where I might, if we hold. Remember, look, you got that level of support at 29.38. And you also have this 200-day moving average. I might look at that because I'll probably be off the stream by the time we retest that. I might look at this as a quick swing trade opportunity. I'll keep everybody updated. But that's why you go through the different time frames and you look at the different moving averages right here. Jonathan K. CB stayed awake and no snoring on the live feed. Hey, Crypto, you still have that man? You should go back and clip that section where you were snoring on the mic, man. That was pretty funny. Yeah, Robert Dean going to play Golden Tee at AVE 3 Pizza tomorrow night. Are y'all going together? Do I understand that right? Crypto Visions, man. I don't think they're ever gonna forget that, man. I know I won't. I was cutting up. That was funny, man. You almost just have to laugh about it, man. Like I told y'all, I swallowed a mosquito on a live stream, and luckily I was ending the stream, and it was I look back at it and I laugh at myself now, you know. So nothing you can do about it. Robert Dean says, smash that like button, subscribe to Matt's Market YouTube channel, hit the notifications to stay up to date. Really helps the channel to 5,000 subs. That is my goal for the year, guys. I think we'll get there. I'm gonna keep grinding. We got 4 months left in the year. I know it's a long shot, but we're gonna at least attempt at it. Oh, so y'all are going to play? Y'all going tonight? During bad dips, you spend 5 minutes talking about bad dips for 55 minutes talking about delicious. Yeah, hey, that's what you do during these dips, man. Look at the 5-minute chart on Doge. Yeah, really starting to get in a downtrend. Like I said, guys, once you have these moving averages converging on each other, and we broke that ascending wedge to the downside, it's looking pretty bearish, guys, for the short term. So I could definitely see 29.38 in our near term future. I think we might end up waking up to around 29 cents to possibly mid 28s if we continue right here. Best case scenario would be like a little double bottom. That'd be a really cool double bottom right here. I don't even know what you would call that. We'd have to get Wind Moon to make up something. Like Wind Moon has this little thing. I guess giraffe eating from tree. And I guess this would be giraffe drinking from pond. So I don't know what, that looks like the little Batman symbol right here, forming in the charts right here. Nice little double bottom right there would be pretty nice. At 29.40 right there, guys. So that's a major price point to keep in the back of your mind right there. RW, when you come back to Louisiana, you definitely need to let me know. Definitely. I'll hook you up with some authentic Cajun food, my friend. It's lost forever. The tape is lost. I have one like that. It has I left it running for 21 hours and I had like 40,000 views, and I can't go back and clip it because I was unaware of the 12-hour YouTube limit for clipping back when I first started streaming. But I really wish I could go back to that stream and watch it, man. Really do. That's like a full-time job, crypto. 60 hours. Yeah, that's a lot, man. Yep, anything can happen. One shot GT. OMG is Doge's ears. Quite possible. This looks like the Batman symbol right here forming. Yeah, it's always pretty good time in Louisiana, man. I mean, everything's kind of locked down right now in New Orleans, so I would stay away from that area. But Baton Rouge and Lafayette are all, wide open. Yeah, guys, it looks like we're heading back down. I mean, that's why when you look at the charts, we saw that ascending wedge. It's very important to pay attention to support resistance, ascending level of support, wherever they meet. They met here. We got the big break right here. And start with a little bearish trend right here. Definitely got some Doge ears. Definitely. Today was a really weird day for Dogecoin. Really was. I think everybody in here would agree. Major spike, major sell-off, spiked again. Now we're having a major sell-off. Will it spike one more time? Quite possibly. The harder you fall, you'll typically at least bounce back up to go retest these moving averages. But it's looking pretty bearish, man. That 14-day moving average is moving below that 50-day, that 200-day. Let's look at the 1-hour chart because we have a possible bounce point coming up here shortly, and that is sitting at 29.53. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see if we respect that. If not, you could possibly move to the 2-hour chart. Let's see what the 200-day moving average is. Way down there. So yeah, we're gonna stick with that 1-hour chart. That seems like the more likely scenario in the short term right here. 29.64. I saw 29.59 right here. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Let that rock right there. OMG reporting Bitcoin dive. I'm gonna go check it in a second. Is it below 44? I need to put it up here. I'm gonna just have to mess with them charts. I'm gonna make sure it's up there for tomorrow night, guys. 5-minute candle, yeah, some bunch of 5-minute candles right here. 44, probably heading back to retest 44, guys. Hard sell off on Bitcoin right here. Yikes. That does not look good on there. Four-hour chart still looks pretty bullish, but 5-minute chart doesn't look too hot. $29.78 currently. $29.84 Ethereum dipped under 3,000. We got 209 ADA. The whole market's taking a little hit right here, guys. Then, yep, the whole day was kind of weird. And quite possible, Saul, you could be seeing a double bottom, man. That double bottom price point would be $29.40 right here. You get a bounce off that double bottom. You could have possible. Whales are watching this the same way we are right here. They're going to see this double bottom point. I think you could have a pretty good bounce right here. Quite possibly back up to 30 cents. Let's see what happens. You get a big green candle right here. Let's see what happens. Man emailed this guy to see 50-foot prestige for 800K and no reply. Hopefully he called. Yeah, it's not good, man. Thank you very much, Robert Dean. Bitcoin green looking good, guys. Yeah, I want to see Bitcoin stay above 44, man. The struggle is real. We're still $20,000 off the all-time high on Bitcoin. 20K per Bitcoin. Big green, let's see if we get that retest of 30 cents right here. Not quite getting that double bottom quite yet. 30 cents, man, I really hope we can pop over it. I don't want to have that being treated as a level of resistance. That's a pretty big psychological level right there. $29.93. Sorry guys, I'm just watching the charts, waiting to see if we get this retest. So we got ADA back at 210, Dogecoin 29.95. We're currently waiting on that 30 cent retest. Ethereum 29.88, down 2% on the day. XRP up slightly on the day at 112. So pretty much sideways for most of the day. That's why today was so weird. We had a pretty much sideways, pretty much a little slightly red day, then massive run up, massive sell off, went back green. It's just been a really weird day. All right, we're getting it right here, 30 cent test. Let's see what happens. But then we got all these moving averages to get over. OMG calling major support at 44 on Bitcoin, so it might hold. Hopefully so. So we're back fighting the 30 cent resistance, guys. If you're looking for a good swing trade opportunity, you might be able to get something a little bit cheaper. I just want to report and be honest with you guys. It's still looking bearish right here. That could change at the snap of a finger, but we'll see what happens overnight. Robert D says, I would love to see skyscraper green candles, man. I would too. really would, man. I think crypto will eventually get back on track, man. We did have pretty decent run-ups from 16 cents, but it's a pullback from all that. Hopefully, Dogecoin can continue on this upwards trend. Where's the pullback going to end for this ascending level of support that we have on this 4-hour chart? So, guys, when in doubt, zoom out. I mean, that is beautiful, beautiful price action right there. Let's just hope it continues. Try to consolidate on the 4-hour. You are getting a pretty good test of that 50-day moving average on that 4-hour chart, getting a little bounce. So that is bullish right there, guys. It really is. Let's continue the next couple days, get back between 31 and 33 cents, and then ultimately back to another retest of 35.10 up there. That'd be the best case scenario heading to Dogecoin for the rest of the week. We got Jay Rogers in the chat, man. Good to see you, Jay. Good, hit that like button for me, dude. Great to see you in the chat. Thank you for tuning in, my friend. Thank you very much. 21 people rocking with me tonight. Thank y'all very much. Pretty sure everybody here is a sub, but if you're not, please consider hit that subscribe button for me. Join the community. Report here live 5-6 nights a week on Dogecoin, talk crypto. It's always a good time. Guys, I'll keep everybody alerted when I do end up buying a little bounce right here. I think it may come tonight. Just part of me thinks that we might see 28 cents, somewhere within that range again. That's just how I feel. That's it, Jonathan K. Fish your life away, my man. 29.87 right here. So guys, if you're looking for this double bottom on Dogecoin at 29.40, major level right here, could be a good bounce opportunity. I've been seeing double bottoms on crypto a lot lately, and as soon as they double bottom, it absolutely takes off from there. So that could be a pretty good opportunity. Let's look at ADA real quick. I just cannot wait for ADA smart contracts to pop out. I think it's going to lift the entire market up. ADA on the 5-minute chart getting a heavy respect of that 200-day moving average. So that's a good sign. But you also have, you see that ascending level we drew, guys? We got the break to the downside. So while we are getting a bounce off the 200-day moving average, we might ultimately retest it, fall out, and get a retest of 205. So it looks a little bearish, guys. I just want to be honest with y'all. You could see some more dipping in the near future, short term, definitely. So just keep your eyes on the market. Make sure you have your exit points. If we would see a pretty big dip come up shortly, guys. So whole market is looking the same right here. We got Ethereum 29.71 low right here. Got a bounce. Let's look at the 4-hour on Ethereum. Yep, same thing. Ascending level, ascending wedge. You got that ascending level of support coming up to a level of resistance. Got rejected, fell out. So let's find out where she's actually going to find some footing. Could bleed off a little bit, quite possibly to 28.80. So it's looking a little bearish, guys. Just want to be completely honest with you once again. Don't want to BS nobody. You could get some better buying opportunities come shortly. But you know what happens when mass market hops off the stream. Dogecoin goes to ripping again. So we'll just have to see. Oh, ADA all the way. You already know Jay Rogers. Big on ADA over here. Yep, ADA is looking the best today, man. Up 5%, but racing some gains, man. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin real quick and see what it did. Strong support at 44K. Let's hopefully we hold that, man. Might be going back to retest at 44.73. So just keep your eyes on the markets, guys. I'll be in the Discord if y'all need me. We'll definitely be keeping a close eye on the charts, man. I'll have some alerts set. I'm going to turn back on whale traders, try to keep up with the latest and greatest information happening in the market right now. But to me, what the charts are reading is pretty bearish right here. Now, remember, guys, that could turn around in a split second, just the way crypto is. So I'll keep you guys updated. And if there's nobody in here that is not in the Discord and you want to be, we can drop the link one more time. We'll be offering it free until this weekend, and then we'll start doing a little charge to hop in the Discord. So make sure y'all take advantage of that opportunity while it's free. And much love to everybody. Thank y'all very much for tuning in tonight. Just keep a level on those key levels of support and resistance. And like I said, I'll keep everybody updated in the Discord, but I'm fully prepared to see 29.40. And if we don't hold that double bottom right there, we could quite possibly end up back in the 28-cent range short term, guys. So thank you very much, guys, for tuning in for a great episode of Matt's Markets Podcast, man. And I will see each and every one of y'all tomorrow night, and we'll see Planner, see where that ends up. We'll see where Bitcoin holds 44K, gets a bounce. Hopefully Doge will get the double bottom, and ADA would like to see it hang around $2, possibly get a nice little bounce here. But nonetheless, ADA holding up the best of the cryptocurrencies today, up 6%. So thank you very much. OMG dropping the Discord and the link. So guys, make sure to take advantage of that opportunity while it's still free. And once again, thank you very much. And if y'all are new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe and like button for me. Greatly helps support the channel. And I will see each and every one of y'all tomorrow night. And until then, best of luck in the markets, and y'all have a good night.